In the last Floki Inu video, I basically gave you this trade, this long right here, and a few shorts at the bottom that we managed to get some good profits on. So the question is, what is going to happen now? I'm out of vacation, I'm back, and I'm ready. I'm as ready as I can ever be, and I want to show you a few things that I think you should know on the daily chart. First of all, net longs, why are they important? I'll mark out two levels right here, this one, and this one. So these are three scenarios in which we got beautiful signals. The first one, we got a signal to potentially start looking for shorts, which we needed the confirmation on the lower time frames. We didn't have divergences, so we wouldn't short here. We wouldn't short here, no divergences. We wouldn't short here. But here, as you can see, we have higher highs, but lower momentum. Plus, we had divergence. Sorry, on VWAP and on money flow and on stochastic as well. So as soon as we had this huge amount of influx of longs, and as soon as this started breaking, we had basically all of this was erased. All of these gains were erased. So even if you started shorting here, you'd have been even very recently. So what is going to happen right now? Obviously, this video is not financial advice. Here are a few scenarios. First of all, you want to look at what is the correlation of longs to shorts. Like right now, right here, we just had a very small amount of shorts. Like we had longs closing, but we didn't really have shorts. The first time we had a good amount of shorts were right here, some of which were chased. As you can see, we had shorts. We had a short squeeze here. We didn't have enough shorts closed here. These were longs closed, and then we started getting the actual move. So real whales shorted early. They shorted on July 20th, and right now we can see some shorts, but not a real serious amount of shorts going on. So in particular, right now, I wouldn't be worried. Let me show you other examples of this. Look, we have longs closing. We already have shorts opened right here. What happens next? We dump. We have, yeah, this was a fake move. This was a hard move as well. And you also always want to compare this with Bitcoin for extra confluences. So right now, momentum is slowly moving to the upside. If we go to the 12-hour, we can see that momentum is slowly moving, and money flow is definitely bullish. We have a trigger wave on the 12-hour chart. So here's how I'm seeing this. We have an inverse fair value gap on the daily that we just broke out of, and we're definitely targeting this high right now. So I would wait for us, and I would really want us to liquidate all of these traders right here, and based on how price reacts to this level, we'll see if we'll have a nice move or not. So this will be the next move will be contingent on a lot of rules, on a lot of things, and one of the things that you should know is that we are in an uptrend. We are on an uptrend since basically the better half of 10 days, and we have had a good momentum to the upsides ever since that happened. So we want to understand what are levels that other people are watching, and they're basically the 10 cents to 10.7, 10.4 to 10.7, actually from 10.2 to 10.7. If we liquidate these prices and break out of this trend line, we're bullish. If we liquidate these prices and start wobbling around, after we get rid of these shorts, we'll retest these levels. So on the lower time frames, this was a very clean short, obviously. Why? Well, because we had let me just go to the daily. We had liquidations being hit right here, because you can clearly see that wick right here just above this high. So everyone that had a stop loss here got out of the game. Plus we have beautiful divergence. Look at the divergence on this. We really want to see divergences exactly like these ones, because this is what really helps us out, especially when you have a red dot. As soon as this starts wicking, you just start printing the longs. So right now I would be interested in taking another a short if we retest this level again. So mark this out, and also I will be interested in taking a long if we start hitting any of these levels, because this is where a lot of stop losses will have a lot of long stop loss will have their stops. If you want to follow my trades, use the link in the description below. I'm up 274 grand on meme coins. I also have a link in the description below for my course if you want to learn how I trade, all the basic stuff and all some advanced stuff, and I'm adding a lot of new stuff there as well. Also in the link in description down below, I have welcome gifts from BingX, 8.2 grand in welcome gifts. They're BingX are an established exchange, definitely worth checking out. Love you with all my heart. See you in the next video.